What if I told you I'm constantly making over $5,000 profits simply by buying luxury bags like this one from Japanese eBay and selling them on American eBay? And the best part, anyone can do this. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I turned buying and selling luxury bags into a profitable side business. I'll share step by step how you can replicate my results, scale it to have consistent income, and even tease a powerful method at the end, drop shipping, that will maximize your profits. If you're tired of vague business advice and want a practical method to make money online, stick around because this video will deliver. First, let's quickly unpack why flipping luxury bags between Japan and the US is so profitable. Luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, and Hermès hold massive appeal globally, but their pricing can be different depending on where they are. In Japan, there's a huge market for secondhand luxury items. Thanks to strict anti-counterfeit laws and strong cultural attitudes towards care and preservation, Japanese secondhand luxury bags are typically authentic and very well maintained. Plus, intense local competition often means lower prices. Meanwhile, American buyers typically pay higher prices due to convenience and perceived market value. This price difference creates the perfect arbitrage opportunity, allowing us to buy low in Japan and sell high in the US. It's a straightforward model that's consistently profitable if you know how to do it right. Here's exactly how I've been doing this step by step. The first thing you need to do is set up accounts on both American eBay and Japanese eBay. You can also use Yahoo Auctions Japan or services like Buy or Zen Market, which are platforms that are designed to help international buyers navigate Japanese auctions. But to be honest, the easiest way to do this is by using Japanese eBay. Next, you need to find profitable luxury bags to flip. Start by visiting American eBay, searching for popular luxury models such as Louis Vuitton Neverfull or the Gucci Marmont. Check completed sales listings to understand current market trends. Once you know how much your bag typically sells for in the US, head over to Japanese eBay and look for the same model. Here is how I filter. First, go to advanced search. Type in the keyword. So this could be the brand like the Louis Vuitton, or it could be a model like the Neverfull. Next, to enter Japanese eBay, you want to set the location to Japan. This will bring up all of the listings that are just in Japan, and then you want to make sure you can receive the item as well. So make sure the available to is set to United States. If you know specific sellers that you trust, place their names here. On the screen, I have a few sellers that I trust for authentic items and quick shipping. If you leave everything else the same and then click on search, compare the prices carefully. You want to make sure that you make at least $300 to $500 in difference when you account for shipping and fees. When you found a promising bag, carefully verify that it's authentic, review the seller ratings and descriptions. Japan is reliable, but double checking authenticity, guarantees, original receipts, and packaging can help. Purchase through PayPal or another trusted method for added buyer protection. If something does happen, such as a lost package, or if you get an inauthentic item and it's fake, you can get your money back. Then arrange shipping through reputable carriers like DHL, FedEx, or EMS. Typically, shipping will cost around $25 to $50 depending on the size and weight of the bag. So be sure to factor those costs into your final profit calculation. Once you receive the bag, take high-quality photos from multiple angles, write clear, detailed descriptions emphasizing authenticity and condition. I use ChatGPT, but you can use any other AI program to write this. And then list your bag on American eBay at a competitive price point. Great customer service and quick communication will help your bag sell fast. For example, I recently purchased an LV Kusan bag from Japan for around $1,500. A lot, I know. Shipping was included. Within a week, I successfully sold it on American eBay for over $4,000, resulted in about a $2,200 profit after fees. Repeat this process consistently and you're quickly on your way to turning occasional flips into a thriving business. Doing this occasionally is nice, but the real magic happens when you scale it into a steady income stream. Here's exactly how I scaled my operation to consistently flip multiple bags each month. First, build relationships with your Japanese suppliers. After buying from certain trusted sellers, I reached out directly to establish consistent buying relationships. These sellers now alert me first when high-demand bags become available. often offering better prices for repeat purchases. This keeps inventory flowing in and boosts my profit margins. Secondly, systemize your sourcing strategy. Set up saved searches and automatic notifications on Japanese auction sites for your target bags. This ensures you see new listings immediately, allowing you to act quickly on the best deals, because you're not going to be the only person doing this. I'm doing this. Third, optimize your eBay listings. Create a template for your successful listings, streamline your descriptions, perfect photo setups, and strategic pricing. Then just use that template all the time. The quicker you can post, the quicker you'll make money. Lastly, cultivate your seller reputation by delivering outstanding customer service, rapid responses, careful packaging, and clear communication, which can earn you top-tier reviews and allow you to confidently charge premium prices. By applying these scaling strategies, I went from flipping one bag occasionally to consistently moving 5 to 10 bags monthly, resulting in over $5,000 in profit every month. Now, let's briefly touch on an even more powerful way to scale this business further: drop shipping. Drop shipping luxury bags directly from Japan to your customers. With drop shipping, you never physically handle inventory yourself, significantly lowering your upfront risk and investment. You list products online, and once the customer purchases from you, your Japanese supplier ships directly to your buyer. This model allows you to exponentially grow your business without managing physical stock. Dropshipping luxury bags can be a game changer. I'll cover exactly how to do this in depth in a future video, so make sure you are subscribed and you turn on notifications so you don't miss it. To maximize profits, always factor in potential custom duties. While secondhand bags often incur little to no fees, it's wise to account for this. Additionally, consider flipping smaller luxury items like wallets, scarves, or belts at a lower risk to grow your business. Always keep detailed financial records. Accurate bookkeeping makes tax time easy and helps you grow correctly. There you have it, the exact strategy I use to consistently make $5,000 a month in profit, flipping luxury bags from Japanese eBay to American eBay. The luxury resale market is growing rapidly, and now you got a clear blueprint to start profiting from it immediately. But now I want to hear from you. Which luxury bag brand you going to target first? Is it the Louis Vuitton? Is it the Gucci? Is it the Chanel? Comment below with your choice and why you're choosing it. And also don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll dive deeper into luxury bag dropshipping, which is a powerful strategy that can dramatically boost your earnings even further without you ever needing to touch inventory. So thanks for watching, and here's to turning international arbitrage into your next profitable business. Peace.